Welcome back to Jah Wise Catering Kitchen. What I'm going to show you now is how to season the pot for rice and peas. Now we have some scallion here, so I'm going to cut up the scallion. Fine. I'm going to just chop it roughly, rough chop. Right? So we cut up with scallion, roughly chop it and left it like that. We go up for now, boom, and we get some garlic. I will cut up the garlic fine. Cut up the garlic fine, like so. Alright, push that together like that because we have to put it in one. Now me like leeks. So I put leeks in my rice and peas. That make my rice and peas different. So watch me now. Little bit of leeks. Cut it up fine too. That big pot of rice and peas I make today now. So watch me. So what I have to know, I have scallion, I have garlics, and I have leeks. I put a little bit of onion in I think too. And I like my pot seasoned nicely. So some onion, and don't forget this is named thyme, fresh thyme. So we carry this over to the pot now. Bring this, follow me now. So the whole of this going in the pot one time. So we have onion going, we have thyme going, we have spring onion going, and we have leeks going with the garlic. So that's how we do the thing now. But all of that going in the pot, next thing we need now is this. You see this? This named coconut cream. Watch me. We have put 2 in the pot. 2 big size like coconut milk, coconut cream. Some people use the milk, me prefer to use the cream. I saw me season up my rice and peas pot. That's why everybody else I said, Jah Wise rice and peas dal is nice, you know. Yeah, because I season it up the right way. So I put the next one in it, like so. Right. Then I finish it, you know. I put in 2 coconut cream. Alright. So I put in 2 of that gone in now. So watch me now. You see next thing with me do, I can't be different. I like my rice and peas, we have taste and flavour. So I'm going to now some black pepper in my thing. So I'm going to rub a little bit of black pepper in my pot. After that, I now left out my thing, you know. And this is my signature. So room again, I'm going to favour the dancer. A little bit of that in my pot. I know what I'm going to put in it now. I put some of this. No people don't know about this. This is named pimento. Right, I crush one I use. So I'm going to rub a little bit of pimento in my thing, just to give it the pot flavor and make it go on. Right? Alright. We just have to put this in there to make it a flavor. You see this? Scotch bonnet pepper in my rice and peas pot. We now cut up that one, we just left that one a whole to give it some smell and flavor and nice taste. So in my pot we go and we let that go and cook down for about half an hour.